A Virginia Beach judge is accused of breaking the law when she served as the state's parole board chair. Virginia Attorney General Jason Miyares released the findings from a year-long investigation.
It found multiple violations under Adrianne Bennett's tenure relating to the release of inmates. Nicole Livas joins us in studio. Nicole, what can you tell us?
Eugene and Janet, 137 is the number of convicted murderers, rapists, and armed robbers this report says were released in violation of long-standing rules.
What happened here was a clear abuse of power. What happened here was the epitome of putting criminals first and victims last.
Attorney General Jason Miyares released details of a year-long investigation into the Virginia Parole Board and its former board chair, Adrianne Bennett. The report finds between February and April of 2020, the parole board violated state law at least 149 times with Bennett's permission.
She released them from supervision, and in some cases, personally corresponded with the offenders about their discharge, eliminating entirely their local parole officer.
Bennett's administrator at the time, Laura Hall, told investigators Bennett knew this was against policy. Victims and their families soon complained they were never told that an inmate was up for release.
Their attacker, their assailant, the person that held the gun up to a head to a young clerk at a gas station, their lives are turned upside down because their assailant should have been behind bars.
One chilling case in particular, Vincent Martin, who was sentenced to life in prison for the murder of Richmond police officer Michael Connors in 1979. In hopes of regaining the public confidence, Miyares recommends enhancing ethics rules for parole board members, increasing size and transparency, and stronger victim notification requirements.
If not for the statute of limitations, Miyares says Bennett would be criminally charged for those violations. Again, Bennett currently serves as a juvenile and domestic relations court judge in Virginia Beach. Miyares says it's up to the General Assembly to decide whether she should be impeached. Janet?